And now let's talk to Lin Yijing in Shanghai to give us more up-to-date trading highlights. Hi there, Yijing. Take us through this morning's trading action.
Well, hi there, Guanxin. Mainland markets have been seeing some profit taking this morning, most likely due to the Shenzhen-Hong Kong Stock Connect that will go live next Monday, especially after the Finance Ministry said yesterday that individual mainland investors buying shares through the program will be exempt from personal income tax on profits for 3-year time. So insurers and brokers have been leading the fall this morning. It seems that the mainland investors are not so thrilled about insurers' decision to boost overseas investments by about $100 billion over the next 3 years. However, on the flip side, stocks related to Xu Xiang, China's top hedge fund manager who was arrested last month for alleged insider trading that led to the market crash last June, have been surging this morning as his trial starts next Monday in Qingdao. So he's related stocks that have new Epic Technology is up 4% right now, and Ningbo Zhongbai is now up by 3%. Guanxin.
It seems the outlook of the trial looks good. And on to some corporate news, SAIC Motor Group shares in the mainland market have been on a downward trend this morning after Audi said yesterday that it would suspend talks with SAIC over a possible tie-up. Give us more details on that.
Well, that's right. The German premium car maker Audi said in a letter to its Chinese dealers that it will suspend talks with SAIC over potential car sales and distribution network ventures until it reaches agreement with the Chinese dealers regarding their long-term profitability. Well, this is SAIC thus has been dropping at an average 2% this morning. The latter of it, of course, is Audi's response to Chinese dealers threatening to stop taking Audi vehicles anymore and demanding compensation in protest back in November. Right now, we see Audi sells cars in China through a 3-party venture with Volkswagen and FAW Group. Additional joint venture would mean more dealerships to a network that has already been struggling with slower sales and sliding profits. However, the deal is not completely off yet. In the letter, Audi said it will resume discussion with SAIC no later than the end of March next year. So we'll have to wait and see what happens there. But in the first 9 months of this year, Chinese dealers had helped Audi sold 440,000 cars, nearly a third of the company's global sales. Now back to you, Guanxin.
A very strong demand in the China market. Thank you very much, Lin Yijing, live for us in Shanghai.